If you describe photos like previous in the Duolingo English test, you're losing points. The problem isn't your English, it's your structure. The scoring system does reward clear, organized answers. In the next 3 minutes, let's practice some speak about the photo questions used in real DET exams together by using the template in our last video. I am quite sure you'll speak confidently and score higher after watching this. I'm Coach Derek, your professional Duolingo coach with experience of many years. Okay, let's practice speak about the photo the right way. The way examiners actually reward. I'll take you through them slowly and we'll chat as we go. First, picture 1. Look, the main character here is a little girl. Her eyes are closed, she's fast asleep, her hair is a bit messy, just spread out. Maybe she didn't fix it before sleeping. She's hugging a small book tight. The cover is bright, with some pictures and words. Maybe before bed, she was really into the book, lost in the story until she got sleepy and fell asleep with it. One hand is gently holding a doll's hand. She's covered with a soft-looking blanket, looks warm and comfy. The whole scene feels calm and sweet. You can feel how peaceful she is. Let's put it into our template. It is evident from the snapshot that a young girl is peacefully asleep while holding a book. When I look at the image, the first things that come into sight are the girl's serene looking face, followed by the book she is clutching, which are equally compelling. Meanwhile, the soft-looking blanket around her is also quite absorbing too. This image instantly brings me back to the last time I fell asleep while reading. It was also at that time that I learned that sometimes the world within a book can be so enchanting that it makes one lose track of everything else. That experience was truly precious because it made me realize the power of a good story. And this picture offers a chance of reflecting on that lesson I've learned. Briefly speaking, this is an interesting picture that portrays a moment of innocent slumber intertwined with the love for reading. One quick thing before we continue. If you're serious about improving your Duolingo score, practice quality matters more than quantity. That's why I recommend Dreamy DET. It's a focused DET-only platform, and the practice format is totally same as the real test experience. I've shared a link below this video. Through it, you can get free VIP access to unlock all questions types. Come on and try it. Okay, done with the sweet girl. Let's change scenes. Picture 2. We see a lady with glasses and short hair. She's in light blue hospital clothes, lying on a hospital bed. She's holding a newborn baby. The baby's wrapped in white cloth with a tiny white hat. Super cute. The scene feels warm. Maybe a precious moment after birth. Try to describe it clearly. Who they are, what they're doing, where they are. Our template version. It is evident from the snapshot that a woman wearing glasses is holding a newborn baby tenderly in her arms, both in what seems to be a hospital-like setting. When I look at the image, the first things that come into sight are the loving expression on the woman's face, followed by the innocent and peaceful face of the baby, which are equally compelling. Meanwhile, the soft-looking hospital blanket and the woman's gentle hold on the baby are also quite absorbing too. This image instantly brings me back to the last time I visited my newly born nephew in the hospital. It was also at that time that I learned that the arrival of a new life can bring so much joy and a sense of wonder. That experience was truly precious because it made me realize the miracle of life and the deep bond between family members. And this picture offers a chance of reflecting on that lesson I've learned. Briefly speaking, this is an interesting picture that portrays the beautiful moment of a mother and her newborn, evoking feelings of love, warmth, and the preciousness of new life. Now, picture 3. First, there are 2 people. A man with short hair wearing a simple top. He's standing, head slightly down, looking below. On his shoulder sits a kid, One hand rests on the man's head for balance. The other hangs down. The kid looks relaxed. The man holds a cup, feeding someone with a spoon. In the background, we see quite a few people. Guess it's a public place, maybe a busy street or market. The scene feels lively and warm, full of family love. Take another close look. See if you find more fun details. Now, we consolidate the detailed information and incorporate it into the template. Next, let's step outside to nature. Picture 4. 2 hot air balloons. Left one is firing up. Right one isn't lit yet. It's big, black and white. Below, people are busy. Some watch the left balloon, others tidy the basket under the right one. Baskets are brown, strong for passengers and gear. Snow covers the ground, cold place. In the far distance, trees and hills give depth to the view. Bottom left, there's a small cart with tools for flying balloons. This pic shows prep before takeoff. You can see the work and the environment. Now let's look at the screen together and see how these scattered pieces of information are brought into the template. Finally, the last one. In the picture, there is a narrow alley. Ground is gray-white stones. 3 people inside. On the left, a man in white vest and blue pants walks away from us. In the middle, a woman in traditional clothes. Dark top, flowery skirt, red headscarf. She has a big basket full of red stuff, also walking away. On the right, another person in red traditional dress, head down, moving forward. Both sides of the alley have light-colored walls. Wires and pipes are on them, adds daily life feeling. The scene is quiet but full of real-life texture. Feels like we're seeing local people going about their day. Let us examine the reference essay. Alright, that's all 5 photos. C. Simple, right? Once you have a clear structure, this task is actually much easier than it looks. If you find this helpful, give it a like and subscribe my channel. I post real Duolingo English test practice every week. And don't forget to grab free VIP access on Dreamy DET through the link below and practice on your own. See you next time.